Hello, good morning, students of class 6. Today we'll start discussing the last lesson, lesson number 13, that is internet browsing. So this is basically a theoretical lesson. Here you will get to know about the history of internet, how the internet evolved, services available on the internet, how to do the searching using Google or Yahoo search engines, and how you can create email. So let us begin with the history of internet. So the word internet came very lately, actually in 1960, when Russia USSR launched its satellites called Sputnik. Technology race began among the countries like USSR and USA and other European countries to become the topmost technological advanced countries. So by the end of 19th century, sharing information and communication was seen, and thus internet was born. Earlier computers were born much earlier, but internet came very lately when it was realized that a single computer is practically of no use, but when two or three computers are connected with the help of wires, they become more advantageous and more you can get out of a computer then. And slowly a network called Arpanet was born. It was actually a defense network of the US government, American government, called Advanced Research Project Agency Network, where 10 or 13 computers of certain university was linked to another university to form that network. So here basically not more than 50 computers were there in this network. So the Defense Department of US connected universities that carried out defense related research. So those universities which were conducting defense related researches and the government defense department of US, they were connected with the help of wires to form this network. So it was in 1960s, so long ago. But slowly in 1974 one commercial network was introduced. So this network of 1960s was only the government network. General people were not able to use. But in 1974 another network called Telnet came into existence, which was a commercial network. Only for business purposes it was used. So small businesses which were located far off places were connected to each other to share the files information of of a particular business of different location. Slowly the size of internet was born from Arpanet actually, when Arpanet network was generally offered to other general public, and it was made uh, was stretched more computers were connected. Suppose more universities, more departments were connected. Then slowly internet came into existence. From 50 computers in Arpanet, say, uh, so lakhs of computer, millions of computer were connected, and uh, in such a way internet came into existence. So basic purpose of internet was to share information and resources over the internet. Okay, and there were some rules and regulations were also laid down so that this sharing could be more easy and smooth. Obviously, if anything is made, there must be some rules and regulations that should be followed, so that that network or that organization is not hampered. So for smooth running, some rules and regulations were laid out. which you will get in the earlier in higher classes. Those rules and regulations are called. So this was the history of internet, and then come Tim Berners-Lee. He laid the rules and regulation and were finally adopted. So the rules and regulation were laid down by this person, and he laid the foundation of World Wide Web, which is a global network. So you can say that Tim Berners-Lee is the founder of WWW. Okay. Next come popular services. So what are the services? Why internet is useful? What we can do on the internet? We can get these things, get information on different topics, whatever information you're looking for, connectivity, connect with your friends and relatives using Facebooks and Twitter, etc. Then you can do some utility tasks like booking railway tickets and air tickets and watch movies and TV shows and live events. Okay, there are Flipkart, Amazon, which provides e-commerce, that is you can buy and sell things also online, and many more things. Okay, obviously for business purposes in banks. Okay, uh, everywhere you can find the use of internet. You will see a computer, and computer are connected there with the help of internet to each other. So now what is internet? The definition is given here. This entire topic is about internet. So internet is an interconnected network system. Okay, that means it is a computer which are interconnected globally, and that is called internet. So this is the definition of internet. So when we are connected to internet, that is not we, actually our computer or mobile, when connected to the internet, uh, we are able to share text, graphic, music, videos, etc. around the globe. Okay. Next, next come about search engines. What are search engines? Search engines like Google, Yahoo, and etc. These help you to find information about particular kind of topic. Suppose you want to find flowers, types of flowers. You write here in Google flowers and images of flower, and their information will appear on the screen. Okay. So next page, this is up to page number 35. In the next page, page number 136, I'll continue in the next video. Okay, second part. So do watch it.